In this video, how to merge accounts on Salesforce, I will show you step by step how to merge duplicate accounts in Salesforce. First, go to the Salesforce website in your browser. Log into your account using your email and password. After logging in, go to the main platform menu. Now click the icon called App Launcher. In the search bar, type Accounts. Click the Accounts option to open the accounts list. Now find the duplicate accounts you want to merge. Click one of the accounts to open its details. Look for the option called Merge Accounts. Click this option to start the merge process. Now select the duplicate accounts you want to combine. Choose the accounts that contain repeated information. Click Next to continue. Now choose which information you want to keep. Compare the details of each account. Select the correct data for the main record. Review all the information before finishing. After that, click the Merge button. Salesforce will combine the selected accounts. The information will be consolidated into one account. This helps keep your CRM organized and clean.